How to make Reddit feed only show new post. To make your Reddit feed show only new post, what you can do is change your default content sort into account in your account settings. Simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. From there, tap on this three horizontal menu icon on the top right corner. From there, access this setting panel. Scroll downwards until you find feed options. Once you find the feed options, all you have to do is tap the default content sort and select new. Once you enable this function, you should be able to find or you will see all these contents that are recently posted. But there is also another workaround. All you have to do is simply tap on this profile icon once again on the bottom right corner and then tap on your profile name on the top left corner. From there, head to this anonymous browsing where you should be able to find all the new contents over here. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.